Want to create a simple cinematic intro in CapCut? Let's get started. First, go to the Stock Materials section and add a black background to your timeline. Next, head to the Text tab and add default text to the timeline. Adjust its duration to match the black background. Type your desired text and customize its style, font, and size. Now, go to the Animation tab. Under the In category, apply the laser cut animation. Adjust the animation duration to cover the entire text clip. Select both the background and text layers, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Add your main video to the bottom layer of the timeline. Drag the compound clip above it to overlay. Go to the Video Basics settings, click Blend, and select Multiply Mode. Adjust the opacity to around 80% for a seamless effect. Move the playhead to the end of the compound clip. Click Freeze to generate a freeze frame. Select the freeze clip, go to the Animation tab, choose Out, and apply the zoom in animation. Set the duration to 2 seconds for a smooth finish. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pro tutorials. Have a great day.